This is Sarah, and it's Saturday, and tomorrow Mark and I are leaving for Linz, Austria for the ARS Electronica festival. And Noodle is coming with us because he is going to be on display in their contemporary art gallery. He's going to be a art beast in the wild for the Mother of Machine project. So I'm about to do the thing that he hates the most, which is dismember him and pack him up and put him in my luggage wrapped in a protective yellow. So yeah, we're gonna start the packing. Okay, I'm gonna go do that. It's okay, Noodle. You're gonna be safe. We. Noodle's in there somewhere, underneath all of the panties. That is mine. Mark.
What?
Are you ready to play some TF2?
Yeah.
Ready for a break?
And some beer?
Yes.
Yeah.
You ready to go to Austria?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want some wieners.
Yeah. Let's do it.